Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life, and I'm doing a review on Glitch in the Matrix ranges. Okay, so this is Friday here. So if you can see right here, we have a low here and we have a high. Okay, but you have to understand the pauses in between the pushes. Okay, because you have ranges, dealers ranges inside of dealers ranges. So when I actually took a look at this, it looked like price would take out this high up here, and then when this low was taken, I didn't take this trade. It's just a review. You have to find the liquidity yourself. I'm explaining what happened. So I looked at the liquidity below this low the way I do it with Glitch in the Matrix ranges, and it's high, and it looked like price would have took out this high first, but I had to go down to the 1 minute chart. Let me explain. So when I go down to the 1 minute chart, I see that we have a range. We have a range within a range. Okay. So even though this is the low, price is inside of this dealer's range. This low here to this high, that's true. Price came down, now it's working inside of this high and this low. But what I'm trying to tell you is that this low right here is this is a range within a range. This is a buy range because it retraced past the 23.6. If I put a Fibonacci on here. So what I'm saying is when I did it this way, it made sense on why the low was taken. So when I marked up the liquidity below this low, I identified that it was 26.2 and that this high up here was 14.3. It's always going to run towards the higher liquidity the way that I do a Glitch in the Matrix, which I'm not going to reveal. You have to find your own way to do liquidity. This is that good. So when I looked at the range and actually marked it up the way that I was supposed to, because this liquidity low down here, based on the COT data in July 12th, what is that, 1 p.m.? This is what ICT called the silver bullet. No, it's not the silver bullet. It's just the 130 range. I think you call it the 130, the PM trend or something like that. But it starts at 130. So I could have thought that this was the low down here for the dealer's range, but it retraced a little too hard. But I could have looked at this as the low, and this is what confused me when I looked at this low here. But when I took a look at the structure on the 1 minute chart, then I saw that this was the range, and it worked again. Price ran down towards the higher liquidity number. So that's Glitch in the Matrix ranges. Once again, thanks for watching.